out this place called Mama's Laundry. Or what is that?
Big Mama's Laundry Cafe.
Laundry. And it's also a cafe where we can have breakfast. It opens at 8. So we're gonna go and check it out now and drop off our laundry. I think we might try to surf today, but we'll see. I feel like I have to be at the beach looking at the waves to tell if I can do this or not. That's at Cloud 9, a really popular beach here.
Yeah.
And well, that's about it. That's all we have planned. The water just turned on. If you guys are interested in a tour of this beautiful Airbnb, then check out our last vlog. But other than that, yeah, that's what we're doing today. That's all we have planned. Island life. Morning. What? Just love it.
Welcome to Big Mama's Laundry.
Morning.
Good morning.
The tricycle drivers also have tours. So if you're interested in a tour, you can help support them as well. Unfortunately, we already booked with the person that our Airbnb host recommended. Tour will be tomorrow, right?
Yeah, tomorrow 8 a.m.
Tomorrow at 8 a.m. Thank you. So this is our all the things that they offer here: coffee, laundry, surfboard, souvenirs, art, and brunch.
No one knows what the hell you go into. Man, we fight the lows, we gotta stop to breathe. I got a right to love, I gotta fight the greed. I've been a slave to trust, I've been hating me, man. Everything I'm not made me everything I need, man. Everything I'm not made me everything I need, man. Everything I'm not made me everything I need, yeah. Splash the water, see clearer than 2020 vision. Wash away my fears, making sure the 2020's different. I know I'm gifted, I've been affected, I've been afflicted. Binge watching workaholics, what a contradiction. On a mission impossible, dodging obstacles. Knowing that they told me I'd never be where I've gotten to. But shit, I'm not shocked at all. Made a list and crossed it off. I'm making hits and knocking off and barring out, don't call the cops. Please, I haven't seen all that I dreamed about. I'm stacking up to pass it to my fam to say we even now. I'm trying to be the man my little brother wants to speak about. I'm trying to take a trip back to Japan just for the eating. Wow, konnichiwa bitches, I've been on a long bender. Like a magician, how I make the whole bottle.
Felix, the artist.
I think it's like cookies on the plane or something.
This is the shirt that I'm getting. It's really long. Okay, turn around.
Wait, that you're getting?
Yeah, I got it too.
I bought this.
Okay. I got the same thing.
What do you mean? There's only one.
You said there's more in the back.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, sick.
This is their menu. If you guys are interested. They got some drinks back here. Pancakes and fried chicken. I got French toast. Mark's toast looks amazing. Mom got another bowl. She's getting bowls.
I need
Thank you. Here it is.
You want that?
Came back to the room, and I think we're gonna go to Cloud 9 now and try to go surfing. Wish us luck. Bridget was so nice. She went to the market to get us some bananas, some saging. She got some rice.
Fish.
My parents are gonna have lunch here, and she's cooking them.
Fish and squid.
Fish and squid. So I'm also booking my parents a massage. An in-house massage. They're gonna come here. Wow. Yum. Wow.
Yeah, sibuyas at kamatis. Uy, malamig na tubig.
Suka.
Yeah, so spicy. For what is the ice?
Getting surf lessons in the front. So I want to look at the water first.
Also like surf on the other side. That is we call quicksilver. That is for advanced. So if you are like beginners, so
I'm scared.
this kind of water is really good because it's still coming high tide.
Oh, are you gonna try?
I'm gonna drone.
Okay. Are you guys gonna go?
Yeah, I'll try.
Okay, I'll try. Felix, are you gonna try?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we go first.
Thanks, guys.
Okay. Oh, here's our surf instructor.
What's your name? Joan. I teach you.
Alright, gotta put the water shoes on. Alright, that's Felix's instructor.
Downward, look forward. Okay. Push your body higher. The right foot longer step. Push higher, left in the front. Okay. Yes, that's good. Okay. Push right, left. Yeah, that's good.
Wow, so good. So good.
Push the tail, hands in the chest. Up, right, left, and back forward. Yeah, that's good.
Something bouncing off the line, sure to catch my eye. A bittersweet, dark, mystique, curious delight. You say you've been looking for, but that's no way to close your heart. I swear we could find it again in this life. That's something sparkle in your eye, illuminate my life. Unraveling at your feet, looking for a sign. And trust me, baby, I'm no saint. In a world filled with heartache and pain, I swear we can do it again. One more time.
That was so much fun.
Yeah, surf's up, dude. My nipple hurt.
Why? Because it was rubbing on the board a lot.
I guess. I don't remember it doing that.
Josh, you like that?
That was fun.
I hope you guys enjoyed Hong's drone footage. He was the drone guy. And then next time he's gonna try surfing, right, Hong?
No.
That was so fun. And the guys were so nice. My guy's name is Don. You guys remember? Anthony.
Ow.
Al. And Josh. Thank
Want to
you.
get our video on YouTube?
Oh yeah. Thank you.
Salamat.
Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired though. We were like out there for 2 hours. I was almost 2 hours. I told him that I was too tired. After an hour and 45 minutes, I'm like, okay, this is the last one because I'm tired now. I'm like, but I'll still pay you for the 2 hours. And then he kept saying, okay, just how about another one from here? Like closer and closer to the shore. I was just like, okay, fine, okay, fine.
Kept on falling off.
And then I think I reached 2 hours by under it. I think I got on quite a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hong was watching.
Every time I saw you, you were on the board.
Yeah. They're good teachers though. We all learn pretty fast, faster than I thought. Off to the Airbnb and then get ready for dinner. We were too heavy for the tricycle, so we had to get out for a sec. Because it was going uphill. Hey Alexa, pump on.
All 2000 is Spotify.
Yeah. Like that?
I can play this. Yo, turn it down. You gotta kind of have a massage.
It's like dense. Look at this beautiful Airbnb.
Oh. Oh, it's long. Wow, what the?
Hong, where are we going for dinner?
The Bliss.
The Bliss.
Yeah.
What kind of food do they have?
Pasta.
And here we are at looks cute in here. Hey, I think I'm gonna get this. And Juan thinks he's gonna get the risotto. So let's see how the Philippines does pasta. Also gonna try the calamansi basil. I've never tried anything like that before. Juan's gonna get pineapple because he's gonna cough. Apparently that's good for coughs, right? Made it.
He was going in the wrong direction.
Oh, he was?
Yeah. He's like, wait, where is it? I'm like, it's actually like really close to Cloud 9 surfing. He's like, oh, I'm on the wrong way.
Well, he made it.
We just ordered appetizer.
Calamansi basil. Felix, do a taste.
Wow.
Different.
No, that's good though. Because I like mojitos. So there is like a very earthy, leafy vibe to it. But it's still citrusy.
Everything's good. Everywhere we have been eating has been so good.
And extra bread. There's extra bread.
Oh my god. The cheese balls are good, but they're spicy. Cheese balls are spicy, eh?
So good.
This one had a bunch of stuff in it. Good. There's gabano in it. Gabano. And then, what else is in here, Mom? Maple syrup, coconut, water. Forget what else. There's like a whole list, and it sounded random.
And I thought it's a choice I have to make, but it's all together. You know.
It's just all together.
She's like, I'll get maple syrup.
I got the rigatoni.
You guys look like shout. You excited? Big whip.
You're sharing that?
Fish. Yeah. You're also getting a salad, right?
And there's salad.
I'd also like to order another one.
Dude ordered this looks like a lunch. Well, I literally thought they were gonna come out with one of these and one bowl of ice cream for the order. Came out with a big whole plate. So then we have 3 of those. Is it good? Well, good thing it's good.
Oh, it's hot. Fresh.
Okay, what is turon? Banana and jackfruit.
Wrapped in a lumpia wrapper, right?
Sometimes I put sugar in it, brown sugar, inside or outside.